He laughed when I fell. It was sophomore year. I had tripped walking into the classroom, papers flying, knees scraped, and heart bruised. Everyone laughed, but none louder than Brandon Knight. Star quarterback, homecoming prince, and my personal tormentor. Brandon made it his mission to remind me I didn't belong. I was too quiet, too awkward, too me. He called me Crash Dummy from that day forward, mimicking my stumble whenever I passed by. My cheeks burned every time. But I said nothing, not because I was weak. Because I was waiting. Revenge isn't about rage. It's about patience, precision, power. I spent the rest of high school in silence, books my only friends, my grades my armor. While Brandon partied and chased fame, I studied. While he posed for prom photos, I was writing code. And when he walked across the graduation stage to thunderous applause, I sat unnoticed, but already accepted into MIT. Fast forward 10 years. I was 28, CEO of a rising tech company valued at $200 million. My software was being used by Fortune 500s, and my face was on magazine covers. But I wasn't chasing fame. I was chasing closure. One day, I walked into a luxury hotel in downtown Chicago for a conference. As I stepped off the elevator, a familiar voice echoed through the hallway. "Hey, sir, can I help you with your bags?" I turned. It was him. Brandon Knight. Older. Tired. Wearing a bellhop uniform. His name tag hung crookedly from his vest. He didn't recognize me. Not yet. I smiled. "Yes. Room 1902. He grabbed my luggage and walked beside me. "So, what brings you here?" he asked, clearly trying to make small talk. "I'm speaking at the Tech Summit. Keynote." He whistled. "Damn, that's impressive. Must be nice." I thought about tech once. But, you know, things happen. I looked at him. This was my moment. I could have humiliated him, reminded him who I was, thrown his cruelty back in his face. But I didn't. I waited until he dropped off my bags and was about to walk away. "By the way," I said casually, "remember Crash Dummy?" He froze. Slowly, he turned. I stepped closer. "Sophomore year. You tripped me. Laughed so hard you cried. Called me Crash Dummy every day for 2 years." His eyes widened. "Wait. No way. That was you." I nodded. Calm. Controlled. He swallowed hard. "Look, man. I was a dumb kid. I didn't mean." I held up a hand. "I know. But here's the thing, Brandon. You were my villain. And every empire needs one. So thank you." I handed him a $500 tip. He stared at it like it was a grenade. "Use it well," I said. "You earned it." And with that, I closed the door. Not out of spite. Not out of hate. But because nothing burns a bully more than seeing the one they tried to break standing tall. Success is the sweetest revenge.